Hi, I'm Randy Golden from Medical Technologies of Georgia, and I'm here today to show everyone how to use our Hydrophilic Coude tip intermittent catheter. This product is available in 8, 10, 12, 14, and 16 French sizes. Let's have an in-depth look at what's inside of each package. MTG Hydrophilic catheters have a blue guideline to denote the location of the curve. We also include fire-polished eyelets to reduce irritation during insertion. So let's now take a look at how to properly use the MTG Hydrophilic Coude tip intermittent catheter. First thing I've done is washed my hands and exposed the penis. And let's talk a little bit about the catheter and the packaging. You notice this little blue cover. I'm going to take this off in just a second and show you how that tab works and what's below that. And then I'm going to flip the product over and show you the catheter within and also the silver water sachet. This actually is sterile water, and I'll explain how to activate the coating of the hydrophilic surface of the catheter as we go through the process. The first thing you're going to want to do, of course, again, wash our hands. Once we've done that and we're ready to go, you're going to take the package and you're going to bend it in half, and you're going to hear a little burst here. Everybody heard that. And the water has been freed from our sachet. So I haven't opened the package up, and I've released the water from the water sachet, okay? And I want to go back and forth for 30 seconds or longer, sloshing the package back and forth to ensure that that water activates the entire surface of the coating. The longer the better, so 30 seconds or longer. Okay. Now, while that's hydrating, I'm going to show you the blue tab. Move the blue tab, and I can actually stick this on a surface of a toilet, or in this case I'm just going to stick it on the side of our table here and allow that catheter to continue to hydrate. While that's occurring, I'm going to reach back and get a wipe. You can use a washcloth, soap and water, but you want to clean yourself prior to catheterization. Just wash yourself off really well ahead of time. Okay. Toss that away. I'm going to keep it handy because I'm going to need that in just a second too. Okay, and then I've got finger holes in my package. I'm going to pull them apart, and I'm going to be able to reach in now and get my catheter. Okay, and I'm using the no-touch sleeve, the blue sleeve, so I don't touch the catheter. I do not want to touch the catheter with my fingers. And it may be difficult to tell in the video, but there is a blue line at the top of the catheter here, and it also again denotes where the curve is. I'm going to insert the catheter in, keeping the blue line facing upwards, and I'm going to gently insert the catheter at 1 to 2 inches at a time. See how super slippery this is? It goes right in. And now I see urine flow. I'm going to give the catheter one more advancement to get it right in the center of the bladder, and I'm going to point the funnel down into the toilet. Okay. When I'm finished and I don't see any more fluid flowing, I'm going to pull the catheter out about 1 inch, and I'm going to hold it steady. There's always a drop or two that are left in the tube. I want to make sure that I get everything into the toilet. It's also important to know that there's no BPA or DEHP in any of our catheters. We don't include any of those carcinogens. Okay, once I see no more fluid flowing, I pull the catheter away by again pulling with the funnel. And when I feel the catheter is getting close to leaving, I'm going to reach back now and get that wipe that I had a second ago to clean with. I'm going to use that wipe to catch the eyes of the catheter. I'm going to keep everything upright to avoid spilling. You want to dispose of this using proper clinical practice once you're finished. Of course, you're going to wash your hands, wash your anatomy one more time, and then you're completely finished. Thank you for watching a Hydrophilic Coude tip intermittent catheter video. For more information about our other products, as well as to order samples, please visit our website, medtechga.com.